Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bimo Ajie. I want to explain about antonyms. What are antonyms? And antonyms are words opposite in meaning to another given word of or phrase. Example: short and tall, big and little. You can see the picture. A class of words grouped together on the basis of the semantic relation of opposition. Antonyms are words belonging to one part of speech sharing certain common semantic characteristic. The next, classification of antonyms. Structurally, the first, antonyms can be divided into antonym of the same root. Example: to do, to undo. Careful and careless. Second, antonyms of different roots. Example: day and night, rich and poor. The next is kinds of antonym. Have three parts. The first is complementary pairs. Refers to the existence of pairs that the denial of one implies the assertion of the others. Example: dead and alive, single and married, male and female. Step 2. Gradable pairs. Refers to the words related to the object modify. The words themselves that provide on absolute scale. Example: big and small, good and bad. And 3. Relation pairs. Refers to the pairs of words that display symmetry in their meaning. Example: buy and sell, push and pull, give and take. And the next, antonym are usually divided into main types. The first is gradable. Gradable antonyms can be used in comparative construction. Example: I'm bigger than you. A pony is smaller than a horse. Non-gradable antonym can be used in comparative construction. We don't describe someone as dearer or more dead than another. And the next, the negative of one members of gradable pairs doesn't necessarily imply the others. My car is not old. Doesn't necessarily mean my car is new. And the next is the negative of one members one of non-gradable pairs does imply the other's member. My grandfathers are not live. Does I needed mean my grandfather are dead? In the next